Hey everybody, I'm back again. Sorry for being a little bit late. I've been trying to get these videos up like somewhere between Friday and Monday, but my boy's been sick and been running back and forth to the doctors and things. Now that he's getting better, you can get a little bit more done. We had some of this stuff done before he got sick, but anyway, we got inner rocker panel done last video. Now I've got the outer one on there, got it welded up, ground down. I just got some black paint on it now to keep it from rusting. And last couple days here I've managed to get the inner cab corner and the outer cab corner put on there. And I got some epoxy primer in today finally. If I would have known it was coming that soon, I wouldn't have put black paint on here, because I wanted to hit all this with epoxy primer, then put my filler on there. And I've already got the filler, but I had to get the primer ordered and get it in. So that's the next thing we're looking at. Go ahead and epoxy prime these welded spots, fill them, sand them, re-epoxy, and of course we still got to do the passenger or the driver's side. And like I said before, we got the new door in for the driver's side, so we got to fit that, see how that's doing, and get everything over there cut out and trim like we did this side and make sure it's all right. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little video, and like I said, my welding sucks, so like I said, I'm not a professional by any means, but we're getting there a little bit at a time. Thanks for watching, everybody.